Welcome to Unit 4 on univariate analysis. We're going to investigate variance within and between groups, examine assumptions, and measure interaction effects, as well as the significance of variance. We're going to be looking at one- and two-way ANOVAs, the assumptions and diagnostics thereof, as well as type 1, 2 errors, as well as power of tests, looking at post hoc comparisons and when those are necessary to utilize using SPSS, looking at effect sizes and their relative importance, as well as main and interaction effects. So lots of things here in Unit 4. For you, I've provided a reading from the Huck textbook, pages 161 through 168, that's chapter 8, as well as a PowerPoint that I've created on the differences between one- and two-way ANOVAs, as well as a podcast that I put together with Dr. Wolfram Verlon of the University of Alabama at Huntsville, where we talk about when to use ANOVAs within our research design. I also included links to various videos on how to conduct a two-way ANOVA within SPSS that is incredibly exemplary created. Also looking at the omnibus test, which is important for ANOVAs, as well as, like I said before, effect sizes, main and interaction effects, as well as how to do a one-way ANOVA with post hoc tests in SPSS, which is a partial review from the EDU 3285 class, but it also goes into that post hoc area that I wanted to further discuss. It's more about solidifying your knowledge than just creating additional units for you this semester. We're going to have a blog debate, which will be interesting, where you will look at a data set that's included within this module, and you're going to try to explore the effect size handout and post what you believe the relative importance of this tool is with your colleagues. And finally, a discussion board post on a research design project, a theoretical one of your own, where you're going to self-select a study using an ANOVA with post hoc analyses, and you're going to project its findings, explicating how you're going to reduce bias and interaction effects. I encourage you to read your peers' posts as well, because we can learn just as much from one another as you can from the content in the textbook, the videos, as well as my presentations. So that's all about univariate analysis, and the next unit will extend into multivariate. So I look forward to talking with you this week about univariate analysis.